Hey guys, thanks for joining us again today. We are doing another unboxing. I know you guys love those.
I do.
Today we're doing... it's another Kotobukiya. I always talk Kotobukiya. It's part of the Forever Evil series of villains from the DC universe. And today we're doing Bizarro. So, if you guys know, Bizarro is the exact opposite of Superman. Did you know that, Vanessa?
I did not. I was like, what is Bizarro?
She is not a true comics fan.
I mean, I have a good stash.
I thought DC was.
I do like DC. Yeah, Superman was. Yeah, but I only ever bought as a kid. I only ever bought like Superman ones. I didn't know about.
So Bizarro is pretty much the anti-superhero.
Cool.
Everything that Superman is, he's the opposite of.
Pretty cool. So he's a zombie.
And he's
not alive.
And he speaks that way as well.
Ah.
So when he says "I love you," he really means "I hate you."
That's kind of cool. Oh my god, does it even come with a little flower? I mean, he's not nice to look at, really.
I suppose all your rubbish appropriate.
Always responsibly. Thank you.
Let's open them up. So.
I'm curious about this flower.
You just want to see the flower.
Yeah, I just want to know where that goes.
In his hand.
Because that's cool. That's like you just said. Like, if he was going to say "I love you," he wouldn't really mean it. But he's holding a flower. So what does that mean?
Because he walk up to you and say, "I hate you."
Oh, rude.
There we go. So it's a single piece.
I mean, you're missing out on the
flower. Yeah. Here we go, guys.
What I would like to know is, in the comic books, does he have that hairstyle as well?
No. So
okay.
So this is like a re-envisioning of all the villains.
Yeah, cool.
Actually, it's part of the New 52 comic series. So they kind of did a revamp, and they changed the looks of some of the characters.
Yeah.
So this is probably his new look, or is his new look.
Does it have an instruction?
Are you trying to put the flower in?
Yeah.
Let's have a look.
Yeah, my one critique on this is the hairstyle does not seem correct. Oh, how... Okay. Careful with young children, guys, because that's got obviously something that they could swallow. And pets, for your info. Yeah, I quite like that, except for the hairstyle. That's my critique. The hair's weird.
You like the hair?
No. But otherwise, it looks really cool.
It's another one to add to the collection.
Yeah. I mean, I like it.
Yeah. Well, look, the packaging for this one's really flimsy, so that's the one thing I'd probably say be careful with.
Yeah.
Especially if you've got, if you're one of the collectors that likes to keep the boxes, good chance if you order one, it's going to come a bit damaged because they're pretty. It's just basically.
Yeah. No, not sturdy at all. Yeah.
But anyway, there are 2 of these left. This one's going to be added to my collection because I have the rest of the New 52 villains up
As you
there.
can see.
Or I've got some of them. I've got Lex Luthor, Ice. That's not Ice. I'm getting confused with Dr. Freeze now.
Oh. Yeah, quite a few.
Oh, that's going to stump. I know him.
I know him.
Anyway, I'll put it in the description. So, 2 of these left. I'll put one in the description. Or I'll put the link for
down below.
Yeah. So, yeah, grab one if you want.
Tune in, guys. Tune in. Check it out.
Check out the website, really.
Check it out. That's what I meant to say.
Anyway, guys, thanks for watching the video. If you want to get one of these, like I said, go to the website and leave us some comments as well. And hit the thumbs up if you like this video. Enjoy the rest of your week, guys. We'll talk to you soon.
Bye.